Mohan?
Hello?
Yeah, now it is fine.
Yeah, now it's fine. Maybe the issue,
So,
what happened next?
the issue with my headset. So just now I removed.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm starting virtual mission.
Virtual issue. Okay.
Yeah. I'm using Red Hat Enterprise Linux Server 6.4. Version 6.4 I'm using. So we have installed the product in this location. Go to /opt IBM and websphere app server 2. So in this location we have installed our product. Okay, and these are all the product files. Okay, so now I'm going to create a deployment manager profile, nothing but a DMGR profile. So this profile contains only one server. That server is called as DMGR server. Okay, so this DMGR profile is used for to manage remaining profiles. Okay, so the deployment manager manages the entire environment, the entire WebSphere application server environment. It maintains master repository and it maintains all the log files. So basically DMGR server is boss for everything. Okay, so without DMGR we cannot manage multiple application server profiles. So this is the main application server, this is the main profile for the entire WebSphere application server. Okay, now I'm going to create DMGR profile. So from this, go to bin directory. Here there is a folder called profile management. So go to this profile management, profile management. Under this we have a command called pmt.sh. That means profile management tool.sh. Just execute the command pmt.sh. It will open a graphical applet, nothing but a profile window. So profile creation wizard it will be opening. Okay. So this is customized WebSphere customized toolbox, and here if you observe here profile management tool, and this is the welcome screen, and this is profile management tool. Here click on create. Okay, so click on create button here. It will open all the profiles. Okay, here I can see 5 profiles. First one is cell profile. That means here we will get one deployment manager profile and one application server profile with federation. Here federation means mapping application server profile configuration to DMGR profile configuration. because here DMGR server is the boss. So using this DMGR server we can manage multiple application servers. Okay, and second one is management profile. So using this management profile, again we have three types of profiles. First one is DMGR profile, second one is admin agent, and third one is job manager. Okay, so I'll tell you all the profile details now. Okay, so we have cell profile, okay, it is the combination of deployment manager profile and application server profile with federation. Okay, so with federation means mapping application server profile configuration to DMGR profile. By default these two are mapped in cell profile. Okay, and the second profile is management profile. So under this management profile, we have again three profiles, that is deployment manager profile, and second one is admin agent, and third one is job manager. Okay, this is the second profile, and third one is application server profile, and fourth one is custom profile, and fifth one is secure proxy. Okay, so these are all profiles we have under websphere. Okay, here management profile means it is for managing the environment. Okay, so here we can manage the environment in three ways. So first one is by using deployment manager profile. That means, so in this we have one server that is called DM that is called DMGR server. Okay, so the DMGR server is used for to maintain entire WebSphere application server configuration. Okay, and in admin agent profile, here we have one admin agent. Okay, so which is used for to manage unfederated application server profiles. Okay, and job manager contains a job manager server, to manage multiple DMGRs and application server profiles. Okay, so deployment manager manages only application server profiles, but node agent contains node admin agent contains admin agent server, So it used for to manage unfederated application servers. That unfederated means which are the application servers not mapped with DMGR. Okay, and job manager server, it contains job manager server. It manages multiple DMGRs and multiple application server profiles. Okay, and here application server profile contains application server. Okay, in the application servers we used to do deployments. Okay, and custom profile, this is empty profile, that means no servers. Okay, it is used for web server definition and cluster configuration. Okay, and secure processing, this is for security. In this we cannot we don't have any servers. Okay, only configuration. Okay, so this is the complete information about profiles in WebSphere. Okay.
Rob, can you give me a second? Let me go through all
Yeah.
this. One second.
Okay.
Ram, yep, please proceed.
Okay. So these are all the profile details. Okay. So now we are going to create deployment manager profile under management. Okay. So here we cannot see admin agent and job manager and deployment manager profile we cannot see. So entire these three profiles we can see like management profile only, and application server profile, custom profile, and secure proxy. Now I am going to create management profile. Select this management and click on next. Here it will show administrative agent, deployment manager, and job manager. Okay, so administrative agent means an administrative agent provides management capability for multiple standalone application servers. That means unfederated application servers. An administrative agent can manage only application server that exist within the same installation on the one mission. Okay, and deployment manager. So a deployment manager provides management capabilities for multiple federated nodes. So nodes should be federated. Okay, that these nodes are nothing but application server nodes. Okay, so the deployment manager can manage nodes that are span multiple systems and platforms. So that means if the management profile, if the profile is available in the remote mission also, we can federate those application server profile to DMGR profile. Okay, and nodes that are managed by the deployment manager can only managed by the single deployment manager. Okay, and job manager, it is the capable of to maintain standalone application servers and node as okay. Job manager, it can provide management capabilities multiple standalone servers. That means standalone unfederated application server profiles and administrative agent and deployment managers, everything is managed by job manager here. So now I'm going to create deployment manager. Select the deployment manager here, click on next. Here we have two options, profile creation options. First one is typical profile creation, second one is advanced profile creation. If you go with typical profile creation, the default settings will be taken here. Okay, and if you select advanced profile creation, the options we can select, so that is customized. So I'm going with advanced profile creation, but we are the beginners, we have to know what are all the steps. So while we are creating the profile, we have to know, we have to see all the steps. That's why I'm selecting advanced profile creation and click on next. Okay, so by default administrative console will be installed. Administrative console means it is GUI browser based console. Okay, using this administrative console we can do administrative tasks. Okay, each and every activity we can do from the console. So that console is the default, that console is also a that console also deploying in deployment manager only. Okay, so administrative console is one war file. Okay, it is one war file. That war file name is integrated solution console lite dot war file. Okay, so this is the war file. Okay, this web application is going to install by default in deployment manager. Okay, so this deployment manager, we cannot install our customized applications, we cannot install our J2EE applications, because DMGR server is for only for management, not for the deployments. Okay, so click on next. Here the profile name is DMGR profile by default, and the profile is going to be created in this path. Okay, so earlier we have, till this we have already existing path /opt/IBM/websphere app server 2. Till this we can say was root. Okay, websphere root. So under this root, profile directory is going to be created, and under this profile DMGR 01 is going to be created. Okay, so DMGR profile. Click on next, and here we have to specify the node name. So DMGR node name and DMGR host name and DMGR cell name. Here we have to specify. So I'm modifying this as DMGR node, DMGR node 1, and localhost, host name is the localhost, and cell name is DMGR cell, DMGR cell, and click on next. Okay, so here administrative security, that means whenever you stop server, you have to provide username and password, and whenever you are opening administrative console, you have to provide administrative console username and password. So if you enable this security, here we have to specify password. Okay, any password you can give. So here I am giving admin, was admin we can give, but here I am not going to enable any security because we are the beginners. So we will see the security later. So just I am disabling as of now, and click on next, and click on next, and next. Okay, here is the port numbers. Okay, so actually the port number range is 1 to 65,535. So in this range we can give any number for the servers. Okay, so here these are all the recommended port numbers. Okay, so if you observe in left side, we have default port numbers. Suppose administrative console default port number is 9060 and recommended port number is 9062. Okay, so that means why it is not taking 9060 means 9060 is used by some other DMGR profile, and
Hello.
installed already I have installed two DMGRs. That's why
Hello, Ram.
it is not 9060 and 9061. So it is taking 9060
Hello.
now. Hello.
Hello. Ram, sometimes your voice is breaking. Can you repeat this administration console port once again? So why we cannot take default 9060?
Yeah. So actually administrative console default port number is 9060. Okay, but here it is taking 9062. This is recommended because 9060 and 9061 already allocated to some other processes. Okay, these port numbers are operating system dependent. Okay, operating system will give you it will give the port numbers for the servers. Okay, so already I have two installations of DMGR, that's why it is not taking default. Suppose if it is first time installation, it will take 9060 only. Okay, and the second one is administrative console secure port 9043, it is taking 9045. Okay, and SOAP connector port 8879 is the default, and 881 is the customized recommended. Okay, so all these are all the port numbers. So you need not to remember all the port numbers, just remember admin console port number and admin console secure port number and SOAP connector port number. Only these three are the important. Okay, remaining all are we can skip. Okay, so no need to remember and all. Okay, and click on next. Click on next. So this is the summary of the profile. Okay, summary. Here you can see all the information. This is the location of the profile and it is taking 30 MB space. Profile name is DMGR01 and make this profile as default is true. And this is cell name, node name, host name. Okay, and deploy the administrative console is true, security is false, and these are all the port numbers. Okay, and click on create. It will take hardly 2-3 minutes. Have you tried to install the product?
No, Ram.
Okay.
Now you are in night shift, right?
Yeah, just now I came from office.
Okay.
Yeah, just now I came. Why?
I don't know. I mean, you said right, you reach home at 7, right? If you are okay, we can
Yeah,
start at 7 also. 7.
I'll reach by 6:45.
Okay.
15 minutes back.
Okay.
Profile creation is very huge. It is taking time.
Okay.
And also my laptop RAM size is only 4 GB. I have to enhance. I have to increase one more 4 GB. I'll put the 4 GB slot is there. I'll put some other time. So profile has been created. Just click on finish. Okay. And here we can see one profile, that is DMGR profile in the console. Okay, the path is /opt IBM websphere app server 2 profiles DMGR profile. Okay, so if you want to create another profile, again go to create here. Okay, so right now I am not going to create any other profiles. We will discuss about DMGR profile first. Okay, and close this. And the profile has been created. Now how to check the profile has been created successfully or not. Okay, so come out of from this. Okay, so here give ls -ltr Okay, go to properties, and here the file called profile registry.xml file. Okay, profile registry.xml file. Open this file in VI editor. Okay, so here you can see the only the profile is created, that is his default is true and name is DMGR profile and the path is this one. Okay, so profile has been created now. Okay, and we can see the same. Go back and here go to profiles, go to profiles. Here you can see one profile that is called DMGR profile. Okay, so now DMGR profile has been created. So how to start DMGR server? Okay, so the profile contains a server, so we have to start the server. Okay, after that we have to open administrative console. Okay, so go to DMGR bin directory. This is the path. So till this path is VAS root. Under this VAS root we have profiles and DMGR profile bin directory. Okay, so go to this path and here we have startup scripts. Okay, so for starting the DMGR, so this is the command start manager.sh. Okay, so here give start manager.sh. This is the command to start DMGR profile, DMGR server. Okay, otherwise we can give start server.sh server name DMGR. So this is also we can give. Two ways we can start the DMGR server. Okay, so after starting the DMGR server, we have to check the server is properly started or not. After that we have to open administrative console. Okay, so now I am going to start a DMGR server. Click on enter. So DMGR server has been started. Okay, and the process ID is 4063. Okay, so each and every process, I mean each and every server maintain a separate port number. So and also whenever we start the servers, either DMGR server or application servers, so it will create one process ID. So this process ID is given by operating system. Okay, so now How to check, suppose you are the new person, how to check whether the DMGR server is running or not. So the command is pf space -ef grep DMGR. Okay, so it will display the process ID here 4063, and the server is this one, IBM websphere profiles DMGR config, DMGR cell, and DMGR node, and server name is DMGR server. So like this we can identify the process is running or not, the server is running or not. And one more path is there to check the process ID. DMGR server, there is a logs under DMGR folder. Here we can see all the log files. So this is the log file location of DMGR. Okay, so this is very important. So log files of DMGR is, go to DMGR profile logs under this DMGR server. So go to the server. Here we can see all the logs. These all logs are related to DMGR server. Okay, and here we can see dmgr.pid. Open this file, dmgr.pid. Okay, if you open this file, here you can see 4063 is the port number, process ID. Okay, and here we have different log files for different purposes. Okay, and here system.out.log and server.log. System.out.log means it contains all the information of the DMGR server, and server.log means only specific to DMGR profile. Okay, we will discuss about these log files later. So as of now, just remember this is the path of DMGR profile logs. Okay, suppose if I stop the DMGR profile, the dmgr.pid file will be removed from here. Okay, we will see that later. Okay, so as of now I started the DMGR profile. Now I am going to open administrative console. Okay, so administrative console means we have two types of administrative clients. First one is administrative console, nothing but GUI based, browser based console. Okay, so to open administrative console we need some details. First one is protocol. The protocol is HTTP. Okay, so we are requesting through browser, that's why I am giving HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. After that we need host name. Okay, host name means server name. Okay, here my host name is localhost. Okay, so and here port number. Port number means DMGR server port number. Okay, here DMGR server port number. Okay, and slash here context root. Okay, so this is the syntax of accessing application server profile. So I need host name of the server, I need DMGR port number, and I need context root. So then only I can able to open administrative console. Okay, so for checking the host name, just type host name here. just type hostname here, it will display the hostname. Hostname is localhost. Okay, and the next one is DMGR server port. Okay, so for checking DMGR server port, go back from the DMGR. Okay, so go to the DMGR profile. Here go to config directory. Under this we have cells. Under this we have DMGR cell. Under this we have nodes. Under this DMGR node. Okay, this is the path. Profiles, DMGR profile, config, cells, cell name, node name. Under this node we have a file called server index.xml file. Okay, server index.xml file. So this file contains all the port numbers. Server index.xml file. Open with VA editor. Here are the port numbers. What are the port numbers we have seen at the time of creation? The same port numbers we can see. Okay, so here some applications are deployed. So these are all the default applications deployed along with DMGR profile. So how many? Only three applications. Three applications are deployed. So in these three, isclite.er file. So this is nothing but administrative console. So this application is nothing but administrative console, and this is another default application, and this is another default application. Okay, and come down here we can find the port number of admins DMGR profile. Here 9062. Okay, 9062 is the port number, and secure port number is 9045. Okay, so now I know the host name, I know the port number, and I should know the context root. Okay, context root should be IBM console. Okay, IBM/console is the context root. So now I am going to open administrative console. HTTP localhost, the port number is 9062, and IBM console. Okay, otherwise HTTP localhost 9062 admin, both are same. Suppose if the security is enabled, if security is enabled means the port numbers will be changed, and here HTTPS will come, and here 9043, 9045, 9045 and S will come. Okay, and now I am going to open administrative console.
May I know why HTTPS will come?
S means secure.
Yes.
We have to provide username and password. Okay,
Okay.
HTTP. And
the
HTTP
port number also
means,
changed, right?
yeah, port number will be changed to sorry, one moment. Here 62. Port number is different from normal normal and secure. Okay, normal
Okay.
administrative console port number is different, secure console port number is different. Okay, open the browser, and here HTTP localhost The port number is 9062. IBM console. Open. This is the way to start DMGR profile and DMGR server and open administrative console. Click on login here. This is the administrative console. So from here we can do all the administrative tasks. Entire WebSphere administration we can do from this console. Okay. Let's go and see the servers. Go to the servers and go to server type. Click on WebSphere application server. Okay. So if you click on a WebSphere application server, so it will not display any servers because this is DMGR profile. Only DMGR server will be created. So not application server profiles. So WebSphere application server profiles is 0. Okay, we are not yet created application server. Okay, so that's why it is showing total 0. Only this is DMGR profile. Okay, and go to the applications, check the any application or deployed. Okay, WebSphere enterprise applications. So there is no applications also. There is no default applications deployed in this. Okay, and come down to check the DMGR profile configuration. Go to the system administration. Go to the system administration. Here click on deployment manager. So this is the configuration of DMGR. Okay, so if you observe, if you come down here, here you can see all the port numbers. Suppose if I want to see what is the admin host port number, here you can see expand these ports. Here you can see administrative console port number is 9062 and secure port number is 9045 and SOAP connector port number is 8881. Okay, so and the remaining all the port numbers also there. Okay, so each and every port number here we can see. Okay, and if you want to stop DMGR profile, click on stop here, but we cannot start from the console. So console means the DMGR server should be up and running, then only the admin console will be opened. Okay, and go to runtime here, click on runtime. This is the configuration tab. Go to runtime tab. Okay, here you can see the process ID. Suppose this is very useful at the time of troubleshooting. Suppose if you want to know what is the process ID for DMGR file, you need not to go and check in the server. So in the server also we can check es space -ef grep, okay, DMGR. Okay, so it will display the process ID 4063. Suppose I have two DMGRs in my system. Okay, so at the time it will display two DMGRs. At the time we cannot find out the correct port number, correct process ID, okay, in the console. But here in administrative console we can see the correct process ID for this particular DMGR server. Okay, and the cell name is DMGR server and the node name is DMGR node and status is started, and the heap size is 252 and maximum is 256. So heap size means it is the RAM memory. So my system RAM memory is 4 GB. Under this 4 GB the server is taking 252 MB RAM. So that is nothing but heap memory. So currently the heap size is 252 MB it is taking from my RAM memory, and I have given the total RAM size is 256. Okay, and this is the details about DMGR server. Okay, and then coming to nodes, click on node. Here I have only one node, that is DMGR node. Go to this node, okay, and click on local topology. Here you can see hierarchy. So under this node I have servers. Under this servers I have DMGR server. Okay. Suppose if you federated any application server to this DMGR profile, that node will be displayed here, and that servers will be displayed in this hierarchy only. Okay. So this is the complete information about DMGR profile and DMGR server administrative console. Okay. So any doubts?
Yeah, no, I'm okay.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will see application server profile creation, and here the thing is, before federation, before mapping to DMGR profile, we can start the application server profile, and we can open administrative console also. I mean, before federation, we can open administrative console, because before federation, the application server is standalone server. That means separate server. So in that case, we can open administrative console. But after federation, the application server profile entire configuration is moved to DMGR cell. So in that situation, we cannot open administrative console for application server. So that application server is managed by DMGR server from this console. Okay. So that thing we will see tomorrow. Okay, application server profile and custom profile we will see, and we will see federation also.
I mean, what you're saying is, if it's
Sorry?
standalone server means there is no need DMGR, right?
Yeah, there is that server is not mapped with DMGR. Okay, so that server itself we can manage by using console. Okay, it contains one administrative console. We can manage that server from the console. That is
Okay.
called standalone.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is for today. Tomorrow we will discuss application server profile.
Okay, okay. Sir, another small request. I cannot hereafter I cannot attend weekends. Let's make it only weekdays sessions.
Sorry?
I cannot attend on weekends, Saturday or Sunday. I cannot,
Ah, okay, okay.
only
Uh,
weekdays only.
I will not take on the days.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Bye.